Hey Mazzy,
Why is your car so dirty? I think you need some advice on cleaning and washing, for real. Without a doubt, a lot of you and your clients were wondering how to properly clean and wash wrapped vehicle. In one of the previous episodes, I was talking about the tools I'm using for wrapping, but also there was this little section I was talking about the washing cars too. So let's expand this section. I will start with the very basic and standard option for washing a car. Well, what has to be underlined is that you can't use the automatic brush wash because it's going to scratch the vinyl. Always prevent that. Find a good jet wash, preferably with active foam or soap, and use the standard program provided. Use active foam, then use standard washing, and always keep the jet at least 90 degrees perpendicular to the washed surface. Then rinse it with demineralized water. Skip the waxing program because we never know what type of wax is in there. One more thing, keep in mind that you have to keep the jet wash at least 30 centimeters away from the washed surface, just so you don't break the vinyl and in result peel it off. If you can, wipe the rest of the water with the microfiber towel so you prevent the drop marks. Most of the people will be happy with the standard basic washing, including me. But after a time, the car will get these spots where the basic washing won't make it. That's why I prefer to pay more attention to cleaning and washing my car at least once a month. The thing is, there is not only dust staying on the car. While you are driving on the roads and the highways, there are a lot of asphalt particles sticking to the car. While you are braking and slowing down, there is a lot of metal particles popping from the calipers and brake discs onto the car. Also, while you are speeding on the highways, there are a lot of insects slamming on the car, and all that has to be removed. If we choose the first option, here is what you have to do. Make sure that all of the liquids you're going to use are plastic, paint and wrap friendly. Follow the rules on the labels and do it in the place where it's allowed to. For more detailed washing, we will have to use insect removing liquid, decontamination liquid, deironization liquid, and also sour shampoo, bucket with separator, sponge glove, wheel brush and microfiber towel. If you don't have time for that or you don't feel very comfortable with it, go and leave the car in the professional hands at detailing shop. I really hope all of the information gathered in this episode clarified a little how and why wash the car. If you will follow few simple rules from this episode, your wrap will stay nice and good looking for a long time.